Okay, so Aldi have launched their own version of Little Moons. It's just basically ice cream mochi, and I was waiting for this. I knew that they were going to do this. Like
£3.50.
No, they're actually only £3.
So what? Still, that's a lot. Compared to £4, I'd expect it to be about £1.50.
Yeah, but the Little Moons ones are £4.50, which is a bit expensive. £3 not as bad as £4.50, is it? So I thought, let's go and see if they're actually in Aldi. They did actually launch today, but I'd seen people on TikTok getting them like a couple of weeks ago, so I was like, surely they've got to be in there now. So we're gonna go and see if we can find them. What are you saying? You're gonna try them, pal?
No, I didn't like the last ones, the coconut ones.
I really like them, so let's go and see if they've got them. We went to 2 Aldis and there was none. So I'm not gonna lie, the clip you just seen was literally filmed like a month or so ago. I could not find these in literally any Aldi. They were sold out. But my mum went shopping this morning and she told me that they were in there, so I asked her to get me a few boxes. Let me show you what I've got. Get me in this freezer. Oh, not the Alpha Bites. Hey! I've got 2 boxes. I got the coconut and tropical. There's also mango, but I just thought I don't really need like 3 boxes. 2 will do. So here they are, and I'm gonna be trying these today very late to the Aldi trend because like I said, I couldn't find them. But I'm so excited to try these today because I actually love like ice cream mochi. It's my favorite. I need to shut that window. Okay, please ignore the fact that my hair is like pretty frizzy at the minute. I'm letting it dry naturally because it's so hot in the UK right now, which I actually love. It means the summer clothes are out. That means it's also perfect for ice cream. So I think these were £3 each. Let me check the message my mum sent me. Oh wait, it doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure that these are £3 a packet. So that's like a whole £1.50 cheaper. I actually made a video like taste testing them. It's one of my best performing videos on my YouTube channel, so I thought, why not compare these to Little Moons? I've tried the Little Moons. They're £4.50 a box, which is pretty pricey. These are a little bit more affordable at £3 a box. You still get 6 and they're very similar flavours. I just want to eat them now. Like, I can't wait any longer. If you don't know what ice cream mochi is, it's just literally ice cream wrapped in sweet rice dough. But yeah, I'm bored of waiting now and I'm hungry. This is basically breakfast for me. So these are the coconut ones. I feel like they're maybe a little bit bigger than the Little Moons. Okay, here they are, look at them. Yeah, I feel like each little ball is bigger than a Little Moon. Like, this is what they look like. This is gonna be so cold on my teeth, I just know it, but I'm gonna try it. That's literally so cold. I think the coconut ones just taste literally like vanilla, but I'm enjoying these a lot. They're so cold, but like this dough is like so like stringy. Like, if you have sensitive teeth, these are a struggle to eat. These are so yummy. 10 out of 10. They taste so good. If you have not tried ice cream mochi, you literally need to try it. I don't know, it's just such a fun thing to eat. Okay, so I tried the coconut Little Moons, and comparing these to them, I think these are bigger, but the one thing I do really like about the Little Moons is the coconut ones are like coated in like a coconut, like they have coconut on the outside. So, but these ones don't. These are just plain on the outside, which I think the Little Moons one gives it a bit more of a coconutty taste because it's got like little coconut shards on the outside. But these just taste, they taste like vanilla and coconut mixed together. Like, they taste like a vanilla-y coconut sort of thing. These are, I am the most clumsy person in the whole world. Right, let me put that back in there. But yeah, for these being a lot cheaper, they literally taste very similar. On to the tropical. What is tropical? These ones are vegan, by the way. These are vegan. Oh, I don't know. It's got a passion fruit on it, so these look good. I can't open these boxes. These look cute. Oh, these are really icy. Oh, someone's at the door. Okay, so these ones look cool. I like the colour. Let's just taste them. I feel like these are the corresponding mochi to the Little Moons passion fruit ones. Squidge, 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 squidge. Oh, I thought it was like ice, but I think it's just like ice and sugar. Okay, these are so good. I tried the passion fruit Little Moons as well, and these taste better. The ice cream in the middle of these is so good. These are my favourite by far. I like the coconut ones because they're creamier, but these are so fruity. Oh my god, I actually love these. I'm gonna eat the whole packet. When you get down to like the last bit, you're just basically holding ice cream. These are the best ones. Oh my god, if you're gonna get any, get the tropical ones because these taste insane. The taste of the ice cream in this is so good. Get these. These are the ones. I'm gonna eat another one. These are literally so tasty. They do get messy, to be fair. I could sit and eat the whole box of these. These are insane. And they're vegan, so if you're vegan and you want to try them, try them. Okay, so final verdict. The coconut ones I didn't like as much as the Little Moons, just because the Little Moons have like the coconutty outside, which I mentioned. But I mean, the ice cream in the middle, the concept of it was exactly the same. But these tropical ones have my heart. These are the ones, the ice cream in the middle of these is so much tastier. I kind of wish I'd got, I'm dropping them again. I kind of wish I'd got the mango ones to try, but it doesn't matter. They're actually called Wayo Mochi ice cream, that's what they're called. This has just been a random little video, but I just wanted to try these on camera and taste test them really. So they're worth, I think they're worth £3. They're very tasty, and if you like mochi then they're worth £3. If you've not tried mochi, you really should. I think it's kind of a thing that you'll either love or you hate. Like the texture of the rice though on the outside is really weird. Some people hate it, but I love it. I am gonna eat these all day long. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.